What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are going to be checking out some running boards from TLYard. There's a couple of companies that send out running boards to me, but this one is the design that I like. So that's what we're gonna put on the Cybertruck. So upon opening the box, it's pretty cool that they're labeled R and L for left and right, so that's something new. And we have all of the nuts and bolts on that bag. Let's go and open it up and see what we got going. Yeah, so Abby's been asking about when I'm going to install these, but it's been raining and we've had a lot of winds lately. But let's go check it out. The cool thing with this is it comes with brackets, and the brackets can be used either on the right or the left. There are holes that indicate which one to use, whether you're on the right side or the left side. Now, these do come with M8 size bolts and washers, and it does come with all the tools that you need, but I'm probably just going to use my own. All right, being that this is not the first time I've installed running boards, I now know I should heighten my ride height. So yeah, that's what you should do. And sorry for my screen with all the fingerprints. Still don't have screen protector and stuff, but yeah, that's one of the first things you need to do. Next, you may want to look for a cardboard so you could lie on, unless you don't mind being dirty. I mean, I don't mind, but I just don't want to lie on the concrete. We're gonna go look under and see what we're looking at, because I've never looked under the Cybertruck. All right, so this is I guess the way it's going to go under. We're on the right side of the truck right now, and we're gonna just line it up to see what holes are gonna be the one we're gonna remove the screws from. All right, so this I think is the first hole next to the well, not the first hole, but there's the tire right here. I've noticed that there are no screws on here, so I'm hoping that that's normal. Let me know if yours came with a screw or not. But no screw here, and that's where we're gonna put our first bracket in. Okay, so that is how they're lined up. Like, this guy is along this, is it a ridge? Is that what you call it? Geez, I don't know what these parts are called. But anyway, I'm not gonna tighten it just so that I can line it up a little bit before tightening it up. But as you can see, hopefully, that this is the R, because we're on the right side of the Cybertruck. So we're just gonna tighten it, not too much, that it could still move around, and we're gonna go on to the next hole. All right, we are on the next hole with no screw, so I'm assuming that is the right one because there are no screws there, and the bolt fits in there. Alright, so there are a total of 5 brackets on each side. There are the 5 brackets. So the front one is much closer to the front tire, and this one is a little further from the rear tire. Let's go ahead and line up the running board itself and see how that looks. On the other side of the running boards, they have an R for right, and you're gonna see these mounting points on here. So one for each bracket. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. Okay, so I haven't tightened anything up, but you can adjust if you want it moved closer to the truck or not. See, you can do that. But I'm probably just gonna move it further out. I should clean that black trim right there, but no, it's a truck. I don't want to clean it. But yeah, so the back part, you could have it all the way touching that the trim piece, but again, I'm not gonna just go all the way in. I'm just gonna have the space in between. So we're gonna start tightening things up. Now there are 2 bolts on each bracket here, and then underneath the trunk it's 1 bolt. All right, that's it. There you go. I put some space in between that side as well. This is a lot simpler to install than the Rivian because you don't have to remove a panel, and it's pretty much straightforward. My son helped me. So, but we're gonna find the jack points and make sure that it's not in the way. Make sure you set your ride height to medium, and then under service, once everything is lifted up, you go to jack mode. I'm just waiting for it to finish going up. Okay, and then you hit jack mode. Okay, so these I don't believe need hockey pucks, unlike the other Teslas. There's actually, man, if I could show it to you, let's see if I can show it to you. There's lift points. I'm gonna flip it the other way. There's lift points. This right here. Oops. This right here is a lift point. Is there text? Can you see the text? I'm gonna try to put a picture up too. I took a picture. So that there's the bracket right here for the running boards, and then that's the lift points, so it doesn't affect it. And that was the front part. Now the rear is very similar. See, this is the bracket, and that is the lift point. You can see it on the text. So I didn't really need to borrow my neighbor's jack, but as you can see, all right, I'm trying to get in this frame, but that's it. I like them. I really like them. A lot easier than the Rivian install. I like the design. From this angle, you could barely kind of see it, so it's kind of plush from the side view. It's very nice. So we went out to eat, and what I found is I don't need to have it in entry mode anymore because of the steps. I did notice that from like this part, this to this is not that big of space, so it's a bit weird at first, and I'm gonna tell you why. So this is what the Rivian running boards look like, and the distance between this part and this is much taller, higher. So it's a little bit of an adjustment because I'm already used to using the running boards on the Rivian, but on the Cybertruck they're much closer to each other. Just a small adjustment. If you've never had running boards or never had running boards with your Cybertruck, then it isn't an adjustment at all. Go check out TLYard's website for all the different options you have for Cybertruck accessories as well as these running boards. Also check out the video description for any of the item links and any discount codes going on. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.